Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudie cooks.
Hey foodies, are you looking for a light summer salad that is hormonal and digestive friendly? Then you're in the right kitchen. Welcome back to Claudie Cook's channel. Let's make this yummy quinoa and cucumber tabbouleh salad. All of these wonderful ingredients will be listed in the description box for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. Woohoo! Let's cook the quinoa. Let's get the fire on. Right, so we've got the fire up on medium high. And we're going in with 2 cups of water. We're going to bring that to the boil. Once that starts boiling, we're going to add our quinoa. But in the meantime, just for some flavor, we're going in with a clove of garlic and a sprig of thyme. This is optional, and we're going to pop some salt into that as well, just for flavor. And I'm feeling a little bit extra, so I'm going to add to that a piece of the lemon rind in there. You know, this is Claudie Cook's kitchen, and that's how I cook. I go with the flow. Right, so once that's up to boil, I'll be back up. I'm going to reduce that heat now. Now up, we've got 1 cup of washed quinoa. I'm just going to add that to the pan. Give it a little stir. And I'm just going to put the heat back up so it brings it up to the boil a bit quicker. I just didn't want to do it whilst it was rolling, boiling, and end up burning myself. So up we go with the temperature. And we're going to bring that to the boil, cover it, and bring it back down to low and let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we'll go check on it, and then we're going to take it off the heat and cover it and let it stay there for the next 5 minutes before we start fluffing. And so the lid is ready to go back on. We're going to reduce the heat. And now we've got that down to medium low for the next 15 minutes. And whilst that's cooking, let's prep the salad part of the ingredients. Okay, we've got 1 cucumber here. This is a British cucumber, so we're going to use everything on it. We're not going to remove the seeds. And it's washed already. Right, we've got some radishes here. This is optional, but I like the flavor and the crunch for the salad as well. Let's chop some beautifully sweet cherry tomatoes. They've been washed already. They are very sweet. Oh gosh, I'm not sure if you've ever smelled the vine from the tomatoes. It smells amazing. Lovely. This is why seasonal produce are always so good. So I'm just going to chop those tomatoes. This is also good for a side during the barbecue season. And this is about a cup here of tomatoes. And as you saw, a whole cucumber, but you can halve it if you're not too keen on cucumber. But this is all good stuff for you. And I've got about 3/4 cup here of radish. Let's check on the quinoa now. Okay. We're going to put the lid back on. I'm going to switch the fire off and let it sit and continue to steam for the next 5 to 6 minutes. Let's finish chopping the rest of the ingredients. Right, we've got some basil, we've got parsley, and we've got dill, and we've got some mint in here. But of course you don't have to use all of this fresh herbs in there, just use the ones that you like. I like to use a lot of fresh herbs in there. So let's chop. Right, we're just going to bunch them all together. We're going to give them a chop. Oh my goodness, this smells so beautiful. Let's set this aside and let's make the dressing. We're going in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm using this one. This is really rich and fruity. It's really delicious. Just even put it over crusty bread, put it in a bowl and dip your bread into it. It's absolutely fabulous. We're going to heat it up with some lemon juice. We're going in with 1 whole lemon. You're going to get a lot of zing and freshness from this. And as you know, in lemon, we've got vitamin C, and we've got some vitamin B's in there as well, like folate. So you know that this salad and dressing is going to be phenomenally good for you. And anything that we can do to help our health is always a good thing. Okay, we're not taking away the little naughty treats and stuff like that, but you know, every now and again we need to inject some healthiness into our body as well, so that our gut health can be as good as it can be. So we've got some black pepper here, a good crack of black pepper. And now for some salt to taste. Decided I want some garlic in here as well. You know, this helps to boost the immune system, and it's got a lot of anti-inflammatory properties in it as well, so why not add it to the dressing as well. What we're going to do now, we are going to put the lid on, and we're going to give this a good little shaky. Yeah, it's another like a little workout as well, isn't it? Build those muscles. Let's grab a spoon and give this a taste. Oh wow, this is really nice and fresh and zingy. I love that. You could add a bit of agave, honey, any of those things that you might like to give it a little sweet taste, but I'm just keeping it as it is. Nice freshness to it. Let's turn our attention back to the quinoa. To speed up the cooling process of the quinoa, I'm just going to spread it all out on this tray here. Don't forget to remove a piece of lime zest that I put in there, well, the lime skin and the thyme and the garlic, or you can just crush it in there. Right, we're going to leave this almost cool, so we're just going to give it maybe another 5-10 minutes, and then we'll be back to assemble and mix the salad. Okay, let's spoon the cool quinoa into our bowl. I've cooled the quinoa down because I didn't want, when I put the other ingredients into it, it gets all kind of soggy, so I want everything to be nice and cold. Can you believe it? I actually thought I was recording, and I just realized that after all of this I hadn't been recording. So I've added the cold quinoa to the bowl, I've added the cucumber, the tomatoes, the fresh herbs, and I chopped some red onions finely and add that to it as well, and I add the vinaigrette that we made earlier. And what I was saying when I thought it was recording, that you can also add some avocado for extra good fat into this as well, and this is a brilliant salad to serve up at barbecues, dinner parties, when you have your friends around, you know, and you know you're not going to keep snacking in between meals, because this is going to keep you fuller for longer, and it's good for your gut health. And now we're going to give this a good taste and to see if we need to add anything else to it. Oh my goodness. What I'm going to add to that is a bit more salt and some black pepper. I'm going to add a bit more lemon juice to it, just a little bit more, because I actually like it zingy. Let's give that a final stir. And look, you can cover it and pop it in the fridge and let it get chilled, but you can serve it up just as it is right now. Taste. That's it. Just that little extra zinginess takes it to another level. Let's plate up. I've decided that I want to put some avocado on there as well. More lime for freshness. I'm going to sprinkle some more fresh herb over this. Lots of fresh herbs. And we're going in with a little flurry good extra virgin olive oil. And there you have it, guys, my quinoa, cucumber, tabbouleh, vegan and gut-friendly summer salad. How colorful and summery is that looking? If you like this recipe, drop me a comment, subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Enjoy making this salad. It's divine. See you in the next video.